Good afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleus on this stunning March afternoon. And I've come to do a little walk around of a new listing here in the very popular area of La Perla, the gorgeous Villa Arlo. Now you can see in front of me there a newly refurbished 10x5 swimming pool encased by a kind of lovely artificially grassed sunbathing terrace. Balustrade you see there takes you along the left hand side of the property where you've got a door into the utility room, and then that's a lounge in front of me with double door access as well to one of the big bedrooms. You can see an extendable awning coming off of there, a lovely dining area in the shade, and then a privacy wall that divides the kind of back garden from the car parking area, making it very private. Little pan around the garden from this side. It's always been used as a second home, and so it's kind of fairly uncluttered, just beautifully presented though. As I say, in La Perla, probably 12 minutes walk from Arboleus Centre, all on the level. I'm standing in front of a beautiful and extremely useful block built casita, which I'll show you from the other side in a second. So just for a moment, I've come over into the shade. I'm getting absolutely cooked. The house has been positioned to be very cool in the summer, but the back garden area here is bathed in sunshine, so the pool's been sited to enjoy maximum sunshine hours. I love this kind of planted border along the wall here in pots. Now all the pool pump and housing hidden discreetly behind that privacy wall there in front of me, and there's ample room for additional storage behind there, all tucked away, out of sight, out of mind. And there's the block built storage casita, so you can see very good size. Lovely outside entertaining area poolside, and the outdoor shower. Slight breeze blowing today, so hopefully not picking up too much wind noise. Those are the double doors there into the lounge, and again you can see the ones into the bedroom from this side. There's also a second double door off the lounge, which we'll see when we're inside the villa. So I've come right round now to the other side of the property, just to give you an idea of the exterior walling and everything and what good condition it's all in. So rolling double gate access that takes you into a large off-street parking area. The owners have just pointed out they've had some logs delivered this morning, so sitting there. Now in the storage shed that you saw around the other side, there is a wooden built, very good quality, either a carport or a pergola, up for the current buyers to decide. That'll be left in the storage shed there, and I'm loving this kind of beautiful border of established yuccas that just runs along the property frontage. Very easy to maintain, but just beautifully presented. And just behind those you've got front door access into a good sized central hallway, so we'll go and have a look in there in a second. And then a pathway runs along the frontage of the villa into the utility corridor at the other end. You can see that more clearly from this angle. You know, it's very nicely kept, and essentially we all need these places, you know, where we can put gas bottles and wood and stuff like that. So that's what the current owners have done here, but it's all tucked away. As a utility corridor goes, not a bad one at all. Nice feature bed in here, stone bench, and then you've got a door to my left there that leads straight into the utility room off of the kitchen. So that's the exterior for you. Let's go and take a look inside. So the first thing that strikes you when you come in is you walk into, from via the front door I've come round to now, into a very, very good size entrance hall. And immediately you're taken by the kind of presentation, very, very stylish, not over cluttered, beautifully put together. Now, very unusual property because this is a 3-bedroom and a 3-bathroom. So you've got 2 ensuite bathrooms and then the large family bathroom. So we'll look at each of those individually. So off of the entrance hall then, arched access into the lounge dining area. Kitchen and utility room off to the right of that. Double doors there out to the garden. A beautiful French cast iron wood burning stove over there in the corner. None of this tin shit. I've nicked that off the owner, I like that. None of this tin shit. everything about this property kind of screams quality, I suppose. It's fully air conditioned. You've got fly screens on all the windows and doors. Now, a lot of the furniture you see can be included, but that'll be under separate negotiation. That's inside and outside furniture. So a little perspective now from the other end of the lounge. This room looks out beautifully over the back garden and the pool. Just cool, fresh. Coming on out now into the kitchen, as you can see, very neutral, beautiful black granite worktops and kickboards. Very bright there, guys, sorry about that. And again, kitchen window positioned to look beautifully over the swimming pool. Door access off the back of the kitchen into the utility room, where you've got the kind of noisy washing machine boiler, and as you saw from the outside, door access into the garden as well. Back on through to the living room, and let's go and take now a look at the 3 bedrooms and the 3 bathrooms. All located off this very good sized hallway. So if you come in from the front door, on the right is the very good sized master bedroom. Air conditioning, ceiling fan, double bank of floor to ceiling, beautiful fitted wardrobes there in front of you. This is a king size bed in here, and it hopefully gives some idea of how beautifully spacious the bedroom is. Door on my left there goes into a very, very good size ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom ensuite. Not going to catch myself in the mirror, but you can see a lovely towel heater wall mounted here, sink with a large mirror above, and then a walk-in shower with a splash panel block that runs floor to ceiling. So that's bedroom 1, the master and bathroom 1. The full family bathroom, bathroom 2, beautiful bathroom suite, full bath with overhead shower. And then panning round, you've got the main guest bedroom. And door immediately to the left leads into the 3rd bathroom, another very good size ensuite. Get a weird lighting effect there, guys, from the sun streaming through the window. So, and then the bedroom, another king size bed in here, and that lovely double door access, which is fly screened out to the garden. Air conditioning again, ceiling fans, and another double bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes. Finally, the 3rd bedroom, another good sized room. Owners have opted for 2 singles in here. When kids come over, etc. They've also got a little kind of office bureau area tucked discreetly in the corner. More fitted wardrobes. So I can't leave Villaralo without giving you one final look of this absolutely glorious, pristine 10x5 pool. Full details will appear in the link below shortly. So Villaralo, €244,950 or near offer. A 3-bed, 3-bathroom, beautifully presented villa in La Perla within easy walk of Arbaleya Centre. That's been immaculately presented by current owners. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, get in touch now, KhalidaHomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763. Look forward to showing you around. I think this is a real must-see, guys. Check out those blue skies. See you soon.